Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel Diamond Paints with Mike here, and today we have something rather special. Now inside this box you will see, not a magic trick, but you will see something that has been over the whole of the diamond painting community. Everyone is getting this thing and it's quite popular. So inside here I was introduced to this product through two creators. One was Liz Harrison, Scott Dog Crafts. The other one was Diamond Paints with TM. And right here, I just had to get it. And this is from Craft Buddy. And as you can see, really lovely. You don't need your little craft knife here to open it. You just pull the zip and look. Now, I'm just going to have a quick look. Yeah, there's an invoice in here. So let me just take that out. And inside here, can you guess what this is? Every diamond painter who's getting this at the moment. It's quite a popular thing. But look what we've got, guys. Oh yeah, baby. And in here, do you know what this is, guys? This is, are you ready? We've got a random boat there, so that's interesting. Normally they're sealed in the pack, but in here we have the Disney 100 Years of Wonder Crystal Art Sticker Album. Now, obviously, if you used to collect the Panini stickers, you know, when you used to go in the shop, you buy, you give the shop keeper or the you know, the CSA, customer service advisor, or shop, whatever you call them, you give them the pound, you get your stickers, and you used to get Panini albums like Beano, football, and you would buy the stickers and put them in each place. Well, this is something out of the bag, and this is something brand new. For the first time ever, Craft Buddy are introducing a sticker album. So what you do is in here, you get all different stickers, and down the side here, this tells you where you put your stickers. And basically what you do is you diamond paint the sticker and then you place it into the corresponding segment within the book. So this is quite a really lovely thing. This is so popular that they are actually selling out of stickers. They're sold out at the moment, but we've got all sorts. Winnie the Pooh here. We've got, I think that's Star Wars, Toy Story, I can tell from that little bucket thing. There's so many different things in here. Star Wars here. So, yeah, really, really good. Now, obviously, because this is something that I'm only introduced newly to, I only decided to get the one pack of stickers for now because I'm new to this product. I want to test the water a bit on it. Also, they've just launched for the first time ever, introducing next year Harry Potter. You know, the little wooden plaque things that you diamond paint, you know, that Iron Man that I did? Well, they're doing Harry Potter with them now, and I'm buzzing. Like, you know how much I love Harry Potter. So let's take a look at the sticker sheet. Now, in here, you do get, there is a risk that you will get some that you've already got, but there is a swap, and there's some swap group or something on the website, and if you sign up to that group, you can swap your stickers. Or if you're in the diamond painting community and you've got some friends that you want to share them with, perhaps if you know another diamond painter that does this product, you could probably exchange your stickers and post them to each other with the ones that you haven't got. Now in here you do have mystery ones, so obviously I don't know what I'm going to get until I open it, but quite bizarrely the actual tray thing was actually outside this bag, so I'm so excited for this. I don't know how to get into this the best way, but I don't want to open it. Look at that, it's so gorgeously wrapped. So, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make an incision, because with me, I like to read what's on the front and stuff, and on the back, so I'm going to carefully try and open this. Now, some of them do come glitter, some of them come standard white, so I'm really hoping that I've got the Disney Lion King. I really, really hope I've got that, but we'll have to wait and see. But in here we have, oh yeah, so you can see there's 3 packs here. So the first one is, oh wow, now this is a coincidence. Look at this. This is Pongo. And as you know, me and Tessa are doing a show on Dalmatians at the moment. This is a little bit bent up, but don't worry about that because all of this is excess. You're only going to be using this part. You can see the little line there, the outline of the sticker. So that doesn't matter at all. On the back there, you've got your drills. And looking at that, there's only 2 drills. OMG. I wonder if there's a painting where you can just get 1 drill. That'd be so funny. So in here, we have 2 drills. Really, really excellent. And then obviously, that's not going to take long. And then what you do is you see that number that's underneath it. So it's like a we take it out carefully for the minute. Didn't really want to open this, but if you take it out, I'll just carefully do it. So you can see it's got 052, and then obviously what you would then do is get your sticker album, and for example, you'll go to this part here, and you'll look for 052, so somewhere down here is there. So page 10, 052 is Pongo and Pup. So we have got numbers up the top here, and then we would go to page 10, so number 10 is here, and you can see that we look for 052, and that one goes just there. So I reckon Purdy, which is the female dog, will probably sit next to him. So that's our first one. The next one that we have is, I'm not entirely sure what this one is, but if you guys know, this has got a bit of crystal creations going on in there. We've got slightly more colours, but we do. So we've got some crystal creations going on there, some plain ones, and we have this character. I'm not sure which one this is from. It's probably somewhere between Pocahontas and Moana, but yeah, very, very interesting. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Right. You know my love for R2-D2. Well, oh my God, guys, look at that. Now, if you watch my other channel, World of Mike the Partner at Cranclay, you will see that I build this fella. He is called R2-D2 and he's from Star Wars. And if you're a lover of R2-D2, you can build your own R2-D2 at fanhome.com. Yes, if you want to sign up and build your own working robot, then you can sign up to get that. And if anyone wants to join that company and they do other builds, I'll put the link in the description of the video. You can check out Fanhome's website and maybe build your own very astromech droid. Oh my God, we've got some really lovely ones in here. So, as I said, this is really nice. I mean, it's my first time now. The next time you buy the stickers, you could end up with a duplicate. If that is the case, you could probably keep them. You could put them, you know, sticker it up, put it on a notepad or something. Or you've got the option to, you know, swap the group and stuff. But yeah, I'm really happy with them. As I said, apparently, I think Tessa was saying that the glitter ones are the special ones and the plain ones are not. But I'm really excited about these. They're not going to take too long to do. The way I'm going to do this is this will be coming to the channel every Monday. And it will be round about 10 AM because we can do one sticker in a session. It's not going to take long. But as I said, there are 100 plus DIY stickers to collect. They do sell out pretty quick, so you have to be quick. They retail at $3.99 a pack. For that, I can't remember how that much was. I think it was like $6.99 or something, but do check out the website. But remember, these stickers will fly very, very quickly. So you can always sign up to the notification email that will notify you when it's back in stock. But I just had to join in the community in this. Everyone's getting them, so I was like, yeah, I'm getting them as well. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. We've got some really awesome things coming up through Craft Buddy in the next couple of months. But until then, take care, have a lovely evening, and get shopping with Craft Buddy today. And you can get yourself this beautiful, beautiful sticker album for yourself. I mean, it brings back memories. I used to do the Panini one. But yeah, until then, take care. Catch you later.